the new kitchen. Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. If you are new, it would mean so much if you guys hit that subscribe button down below, turn on the bell because your girl uploads every single Tuesday and Thursday. But I'm currently in the new house. I've actually been here for the last couple of days, so we are starting to get moved in and I have a ton of content coming, so make sure you guys are subscribed because I have no idea what order this content is gonna come out at. We will figure it out. I've just been filming the whole moving process and everything I do with the new house just to bring you guys along this journey, but I wanted to do a good clean with me and organize of my new kitchen. This is actually one of my favorite parts of the house, but we still have a lot of work that needs to be done in this house. We're still currently painting. The first floor is pretty much all completely done. It just needs a good wipe down. I've been buying a ton of stuff for the kitchen. I definitely need more things. I'm by no means close to finishing. I wanna get a lot more organization things for the kitchen. I just wanna be an organized queen during this new chapter in my life. For now, I am just going to organize everything I do have. By the way, before I jump into it, don't forget to check out Rakuten. It is a free cashback site you can sign up with. If you use my link right now, you will get $20 once you sign up and make your first purchase. But I wanted to mention it because I've been using it a ton during this move. I've been buying a ton of things, as you guys know, for the house. So I love getting cash back anytime I have to buy something, and they have thousands of stores online from all the stores you probably shop at, so you might as well get cash back. Like I said, it is completely free. I've been using this for a couple years now, and it's been such a lifesaver during this move, so I had to give Rakuten a huge shout out. And yeah, all the information will be linked down below. But with that being said, we need to get into the cleaning because it's probably gonna be a while, so I better get started now. I am so obsessed with the backyard though. This is the biggest thing that I absolutely love about the house, is just seeing all the trees every single morning. It is so beautiful waking up and seeing that, although the trees have no leaves on them right now because of winter, but it looks so pretty with the snow on them, and also during the fall time, it was gorgeous. As you can see, my kitchen is not doing too well. It is a little or a lot messy, but I wanna actually go ahead first and remove everything off the counters because honestly, my kitchen isn't organized to what I want. I just kinda have been like putting things for now wherever. Start from scratch because I definitely have to clean all of the outsides of the cabinetry, and then I also want to do a wipe down on the inside. Section 1 is empty. Now I'm going to move on to the island. The island is emptied. Actually, the next thing I want to remove are my bar stools. I just have 3 bar stools for now, and my parents were gracious enough to lend me them because a lot of our furniture is taking forever to come. So we have currently nowhere to sit if it weren't for these beautiful bar stools. These aren't going to be permanent. I'm going to be replacing them with my own eventually, but for now, I'm so happy we are able to have these because currently this is where I've been eating and doing everything. And then I actually went to the dollar store last night and picked up a few things that I needed, and then we'll work on that section there and just remove everything. I'm probably also gonna do all the dishes that are in there. And I do have more dishes in the dishwasher that I need to empty also. The only thing I have left is I have to do these dishes now so I can put them all away. And then I'm also gonna remove this mat and then the drying mat once I am done all my dishes. removed everything off of the countertops. I'm gonna go ahead and just remove everything that's inside of each of the drawers for now, and then I can go ahead and wipe everything down. But it is feeling like how I just got it. It is so stunning. We also have this section over here, which is supposed to be for the dinner table and chairs, which still hasn't come in. But I'm definitely gonna have to dust and mop and do all that stuff for the entirety of the floors because, like I said, they are a mess. For now, I've just been placing things here to lay them out, and then once everything's clean, I can go ahead and put them back where they need to be. So I'm gonna do the same with the things inside of the cabinetry. It just allows me to get a clean space so I can go ahead, give it a good wipe down. I put everything on the island, but we got the first cabinetry done and emptied. Once the island is full, I'll go ahead and put it in that room. This is most of the things from my cabinetry. Now I'm just gonna remove it off of the island, just like voila. This room is now a mess. Gives me low-key anxiety looking at this, but this room is all empty now. Most of the inside of the drawers are empty. This one I ended up not emptying. It has all my cups because honestly, I've wiped it down so many times now. So I'm just gonna keep that the way it is. And then I also kept everything inside here because for now, this is just the cleaning supplies. So this has been wiped down also, and I'm gonna keep going back and forth and use these things. Whew, I need my coffee fuel. I'm gonna go ahead, wipe the countertops, and then I'm also gonna go ahead and wipe the insides of each of the cabinetry, and then we can go put everything back and then do the floors as like the last step. Let's get to wiping. I went ahead first and just wiped the crumbs and dust off of here onto the floor since we are going to be vacuuming the floor. And now I'm gonna go in with my cleaner and spray down all the countertops, and I'm gonna repeat that for every single countertop. Countertops complete. Now I'm gonna move on to this bad guy, the sink. Look at the inside of this sink versus this one. It is so gross, so dirty, so clean. Now that I cleaned off all the countertops, I'm gonna go in with my Dyson and just vacuum inside each of the cabinetry because some of them are still quite dusty and dirty from when this house was being built before I go ahead and wipe them down. I'll show you an example. This drawer here is so dirty. It has so many like wood chips and like random wood shavings. So I'm gonna go ahead, vacuum, and then wipe them down. ahead and wiped down all of the cabinetry inside, and I also vacuumed it. Now I'm gonna move on to the actual outside, and my cabinetry is like really like a glossy white. So to clean it, I'm just going to take a microfiber cloth, and I'm just gonna put a tiny bit of dish soap, and that's how I'm gonna wash down my cabinetry, because it is like a glossy white finish. That works really well. And then finally we'll be done cleaning the outside, and we can finally start putting everything in. I'm actually getting so tired, and there's still so much to go. Help me. I went ahead and finished cleaning off the outsides of the cabinets, so now I can finally put everything back. So I'm gonna start off with putting everything on the counters, and then I'll put all like the dishes and random things back inside of the cabinetry, and then we just have to do the floors, and I am done. Which I'm hoping I can get this done before the sun's going down, because the sun is already starting to go down and your girl is freaking out and rushing so I can finish this, because tomorrow we actually have my family friend coming for pot lights in the house, so I can't even finish it tomorrow. I'm finally gonna mop the floors now, so I just like to add a little bit of dish soap, and that's it. The kitchen is finally cleaned and organized, and it smells so good in here. Who doesn't love having a clean kitchen? I am so happy I finished, and I finished before the sun went down. Barely made it, but we made it. So yeah, that was my entire video. Once I get more like things, I'm probably gonna share with you kind of my organization tips, because I don't have everything right now, so I can't organize it to exactly how I want it. But stay tuned for more house videos. I will definitely be bringing a ton more and share tips and tricks and organization hacks and all that good stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out. Don't forget to share it and click the subscribe button to join my YouTube family. I do upload every Tuesdays and Thursdays. And on that note, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!